Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a welcome email series for new subscribers. A welcome email series is just a group of emails that you send to someone after they join your email list. This helps them know who you are, what you offer, and why they should keep opening your emails. First, welcome your new subscriber. The first email should be simple and friendly. Thank them for joining your list and let them know they are in the right place. You can start by saying something like, "Thanks for signing up. I'm happy to have you here." After that, tell them what they can expect from you. For example, you can say that you will send helpful tips, updates, offers, or useful information. Keep this email short, but make it warm. The goal is to make the new subscriber feel welcome and comfortable. Tell them a little more about you or your business. You do not need to tell your full life story. Just explain who you are, what you do, and how you can help them. You can also share why you started your business or why you care about the topic you talk about. This helps your subscribers feel more connected to you. People are more likely to trust you when they understand who is behind the emails. Now that they know who you are, give them something useful. This can be a tip, a short guide, a checklist, a free resource, or even just a simple piece of advice. The point is to give value before asking for anything. When your subscriber gets something helpful from you early on, they are more likely to keep reading your future emails. Make sure the helpful thing is easy to understand and easy to use. Explain how your product, service, or content can help them. Do not make this email feel too pushy. Just talk about the problem your subscriber may have and how you can help solve it. For example, you can say, "If you are struggling with this, here is how I can help." You can also share a short story, a result, or a simple example. This helps your subscribers see the reason why your offer may be useful for them. Before asking someone to buy, sign up, or take the next step, you need to build trust. You can do this by sharing reviews, results, success stories, or simple examples from people you have helped. You can also answer common questions that your subscribers may have. This makes them feel more confident because they can see that other people have had a good experience with you. Keep this email clear and honest. Do not make big promises. Just show real reasons why they can trust you. Every email in your welcome series should be easy to read. Use short sentences. Break up long paragraphs. Talk like a real person. Do not try to sound too fancy. Your goal is to help the subscriber understand your message quickly. Also, make sure each email has one main point. If you try to say too much in one email, people may stop reading. So that's how you create a welcome email series for new subscribers. Start with a warm welcome, introduce yourself, give helpful value, build trust, and then make a simple offer. Keep everything clear, friendly, and easy to understand. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.